You may have seen my video yesterday where Nigel Farage had a milkshake thrown in his face, and there's been a very interesting question raised on X because someone has been accused of being the lady that threw the milkshake just because she looks a little bit like her. Obviously, she's denied it. Now, this raises the question as to whether she could potentially raise a defamation claim, because accusing someone of doing such a thing, whether or not it is ultimately prosecuted and whether they are convicted, whether they plead guilty, the mere fact that they've been arrested for it raises a question as to whether accusing someone of doing such a thing could in itself be defamatory. That is a question I'm leaving for Al, because that's the real reason for this video. I'm here to apologise for Al for not being here for a while. He is back in the country. I've spoken to him. He's doing really well, but this is just an apology that he hasn't been doing videos in the last week or so, but he will be back, and I'm leaving this question for him to answer. So maybe this is a jump-off point for him to come back and talk about some defamation issues and catch up on a bit of the law. So make sure you check back on any videos you haven't seen from Al so far, and I'll leave this question hanging and leave your thoughts and comments below. Is there anything that you've been accused of online that you might think amounts to serious harm, which would be the threshold for a defamation claim? So when he gets back, Al, it'll be over to you, so stay tuned for Al's return.